That's a statement piece.
The Koenigsegg just showed up.
6:30 in the morning, Cars and Coffee time featuring Rex. Alright, cock walking me. Very healthy V12 this morning. Got the classic FF. V-Power Racing.
Will ding 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 if I don't wear seatbelt?
I feel like it will. Okay. Ah, see. 7:45. We made it here, but the Pagani's not here yet. We got Ben's R34. We got, I think, Josh's GTT. Nice. We got Naomi's Huracan. That diffuser is actually crazy. It's got the Mind's wing and the third brake light cover thing. Morning, sir. Pretty cool, actually. A very hot boy. We got the underglows going on. Nice. Really cool S2002. I don't know what kit this is, but it's kind of sick. Look at the GT3 RS fender cutouts. Pretty cool Evo. That's a good spec, actually, 992. Seems like a Tech Art kitted Carrera. That Senna kitted 720. The regular 720 and Performante. No, sorry, Super Leggera. That's a lot of stickers. Ooh, SUJ. These are the cool wheels. These single-digit plates, especially the ones, are like $150,000 or something. Little traffic jam going on. We got a MC20. I didn't know people bought this. We got a good boy over there. Some cool Subarus. The Wagon Legacy is cool with the S204 wheels. This is the real S204. Matching wheels. Sick color. Mastermind? Is that you? That looks like an A45, but it's actually a A180. Another M3 wagon on BBS LMs. What's that color? This might be Porsche Individual Gray Black. Apparently he's the host of this meet and he's giving out stickers for everyone by putting them on the windshield. So when you come, you get a sticker. This is the sticker I was talking about. This is the Koenigsegg Special F48. Really cool. We'll do a walk around of that later. Green Touring? Oak Green Touring? I think everyone came this morning to see the Utopia Roadster. Just check out the crowd. Holy crap. It's the same car from Car Week, actually. We'll get a closer look later. But holy shit. The guy's got a Cinque t-shirt. Very nice light blue 360. I don't know what color that is, but also a very nice M4 cab. Look how big the XM is compared to the, not sure what that is over there, but that's an Alpha. But here's the Utopia. Sweet. That's a statement piece. Oh, clamshell is open. Carbon on the inside is matte carbon, but the outside's gloss red. That interior though, look at that status shifter.
Open.
Sweet. The engine over here. We got the luggage compartment, matte carbon. We got the AMG V12 engine. Sick. Here's the Utopia Roadster, red carbon tint. Very nice with the aerodynamic wheels. Look at the amount of people. That's a lot of people. I don't know what this is, but it's kind of sick. It's a 928 or 968. Super modded. Someone said it looks like an AMG GTR. Okay, this is crazy. Look at this. The Dragon on it. The Dragon Edition. Holy. Yeah, that actually sounds good. Ah, yes, the 928. Sick. And this M4 that's been going around in circles.
The best car you can get.
GT3. Oh, that's so cute. I really wonder what this is because that sounds like a V8. 356, wow. You know Singapore had one. 91 GT4. That sounds good. Acura exhaust. Haven't seen a 12C in a while. Sharp Blue 992 GT3 with Mentai racing wheels. These are the real deal. Mentai tow hook, Dundon dive planes. These pass inspections actually. They're probably a BMW Akatama yellow Type R. It's nice to see that everybody's interested in this 356. That's kind of sick. What kit is this? Kind of looks like the kit that Tamed has. All carbon, a giant Stena looking wing. This might be the 520 with the M5 engine. Got a Renault RS and another E34. Lexus Gazoo Racing LC500. Very quiet for a V8. Yas Marina Blue E92 M3. Nice. What's that? $300,000 Type R. Show plate? That's a research and development license plate. Dog spotting. We got 3 Euro Rs here, sick. And an E9. Hey, pink Miata. Wow, you don't see a 240 here. Oh, that color. Nice, a Scud. Seal. You have the Koenigsegg Special F48. Based on, what's it based on? 348. Based on a 348. Is that a Targa? Oh. We got some PC fans in the back.
Yeah.
So what, a twin turbo V8 or something?
Yes.
So these are intercoolers, but mounted horizontally with a fan that draws air either upwards or downwards. Interesting. Pretty interesting. You don't really see much of a 348 anymore. Even the headlights are a little different. The bumper sticks out a little bit. The seats are pretty comfortable. Looks pretty comfortable at least. The side intake. Alright, let's check the inside. Yeah, I get cock blocked by some kid. Pressed button, pull it open. Handbrakes on the right side. Right hand drive. Got a 765 Spider. Sick. With a manual shifted gearbox. Gated manual. Color match Wizard Plus. Look at the OG AP racing brakes. The Mitsuka. Based on an MX-5, I think. Just a rebodied but longer wheelbase. Did a fact check. This is indeed a real S63 AMG with this, I don't know what hood this is, but it's see-through and it even has the ceramic brakes. Wild. M3 CS, $700,000. Nice. 718 GT4 and a 991.1 3RS in lava orange. What's that? What's that wing? Red 599. You don't see these a lot anymore. And a 430. Relatively stock, but the seats are red too. Red seats, tan interior. This is also has a dark red seats. Bunch of Civics here, a little corner, it's nice. Got a really cool Defender. Renault's here with the raised G025s. Tokyo Cyan.
Oh, okay, that's crazy. The Koenigsegg just showed up. But you know what's funny?
But I'm not going out.
The best part is these people following the car.
Sick. That's wild. An Agero just showed up.
The goodest boy. Ceramics on this. Alright, got the color name. It's Drop It Gray, not gray black. 16M. Dasha video bombing. Oh, that's cute. More dog spotting. Husky. Homologation special. Ducati Desmo CDGR. That's sick. That's like the GT3 version of the motorcycles. Kawasaki H2R. Wow, look at this one too. All the carbon. But this is like maybe $200,000 here or something. So the regular Ducati bikes were $40,000 over here, but this one was selling for $140,000. Even down here, if you see the weaves, it's like Kevlar or carbon. $135,000 for this bike, and this is probably around the same. 16M. There's only like 3 in Singapore. Super cool. Nice. Another M2. Oh, frozen blue. M performance exhaust. Apparently this is a factory spec A45. Look at the wheels. That's crazy. Magna green, hell green. Sick. Pretty interesting spec though. Look how big this egg tart is. Oh, Defender. R. The Lotus SUV. Nice color though.
Got some baby slam wagons. It's really cute.
Oh, sick. 993 roof spec. Is it roof spec? WPO. Okay, it's a Porsche spec, but pretty cool. 993. Nice. What's this? A C36? A V6 compressor. Pretty rare here. What's that? An old Jaguar. Way better than the new ones. Stay woke. I8 with a lot of stickers, like a half windshield full of stickers. What does that say? Raffles Town Club. This is basically like a flex club on the windshield, showing off all the yacht club and stuff. Aston Martin Signet. I think there's only 1 or 2 of these in Singapore. This is based on the Scion or Toyota IQ with Aston Martin plush interior. P-Plate 2, new driver. Sweet. Probably the rarest car here. A lot of turbo sounds. Ooh, purple color.